In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Anaconda 3 on Windows 11. By the end, you will have Anaconda ready to run Python and manage environments on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official Anaconda download page at anaconda.com/download. On this page, look for the section labeled Anaconda Distribution. Then find the Windows area. You should see the Windows 64-bit graphical installer option, usually highlighted as the recommended download. Click the Windows 64-bit graphical installer button, and your browser will start downloading the latest Anaconda 3 installer file with an exe extension. Wait until the download fully completes before moving on. Once the download is done, open your Downloads folder in File Explorer. You should see a file named something like Anaconda 3 followed by a version number ending with exe. Double-click that installer file to run it. If a user account control window appears asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. The Anaconda Setup Wizard will open, showing a welcome screen. Click Next to continue, then you will see the license agreement page. Read through it if you like, then click I agree to move forward. After you click I agree, the installer will go to the installation type screen. Now you will choose the installation type. On this screen you will see two options, Just Me and All Users. Just Me installs Anaconda only for your Windows account, which is usually the safest choice if you are not an administrator on this machine. All Users installs Anaconda for every account on this PC, but it requires administrator privileges. Select the option that matches how you plan to use Anaconda, then click Next. The button will become active as soon as you pick one of the options. After that, you will see the Choose Install Location screen. Here the installer suggests a destination folder, usually on your C drive under your username. In most cases, the default folder works well, so you can leave it as it is and not change anything. If you do change it, Anaconda recommends using a path without spaces or special characters to avoid environment issues later. Once you are happy with the folder, click Next to proceed. Next up are the installation options. On this screen, you will see a checkbox for Create Shortcuts. Leave this checked so Windows adds Anaconda shortcuts to your Start menu, which makes it easier to open tools later. You will also see Add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Leave this unchecked unless you have a specific reason, because enabling it can interfere with other Python installations already on your system. There is another option, Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python. Turn this on if you want commands that call Python to use Anaconda by default. When the options are set the way you want, click Install. The installer will begin copying files and setting up Anaconda. At this point, wait while the progress bar moves across the screen. This can take a few minutes depending on your system speed and drive. When the installation is finished, the wizard will automatically move to a completion screen. Click Next to go to the final page, then click Finish. When you click Finish, the installer will close and Anaconda will be installed on your system. To verify everything worked, open the Start menu in Windows. In the search box, type Anaconda prompt, then click the Anaconda prompt app that appears. A black command-style window will open, and you should see the word Conda in the prompt text. Type the command conda space 2 version, then press Enter. If Anaconda is installed correctly, you will see a version number printed on the next line. You have now downloaded, installed, and verified Anaconda 3 on Windows 11, ready to run Python and manage packages. So if this helped you get Anaconda running, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more practical setup guides.